Good morning. My name is Richard Hutchins. I am the IMI Skills Competitions Manager, and welcome to the finalist announcement for 2023. I know you guys are probably excited and been waiting for this. I know I certainly have been waiting for it. So without further ado, there's a couple of bits and pieces I just want to run through before we announce the finalists. And that is, I've got to say that the IMI Skills Competitions, World Skills UK, we've had a phenomenal year this year. We've had over 600 nominations, with more than 600 online tests completed. We've had 4 fantastic national qualifiers at state-of-the-art venues all across the UK. And we've had the best 84 apprentices in the UK competing to try and find those 6 finalists in each area. To be honest with you, our sponsors have been amazing. We've had over £450,000 worth of in-kind sponsorship to make these competitions possible. And I just want to say a very, very special thanks to FMG Repair Services for all of their sponsorship and all of their support through everything. Without that, it would be very, very different. Again, I need to thank all of our in-kind sponsors because we have the best equipment for the best apprentices in the best venues to make an absolutely fantastic competition. And without you guys, like I say, we'd probably still try and run it, but it wouldn't look the same. So once again, thank you very, very much on that one. So we just got to think now about who's got through to where and when. So I'm just waiting for a call. I am, to be totally honest with you. You know the drill by now, guys. I'm just waiting for a call. Oh, gosh, this could be the... Hello? Yes, Richard Hutchins. I'm my Skills Competitions Manager. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Well, it's the finals. Yeah, we're recording the live show. That's okay. Yeah, it's World Skills, guys. It genuinely is this time. Okay, lovely. Thank you very much. I will let them all know right now. Thanks again. Bye-bye. Well, there we are, guys. Once again, the results are in. So, without further ado, and what I'll do, I'm going to announce them in order of heats. Okay, so the first one will be the refinishing heats. Okay, so our 6 refinishing finalists for World Skills UK 2023 IMI Skills Competition are Victoria Steele, Declan Phillips, Ocean McCurr, Thomas Fernhead, Lewis Bayford, and Maxim Makatovanik. I hope I got that right, Max, to be honest with you. Well done, all of you. Fantastic. The scores, again, were super high in things this year, and it was very, very close going through there. But well done, the 6 refinishing finalists. So, next on to the heavy vehicle finalists. And the 6 finalists are Alex Zykanowski, I hope I got that right, Alex, Nicholas Garrett, Ben Turner, Joseph Roberts, Harry Cooper, and Jack Fitton. Well done once again. And again, scores were fantastic. And well done to yourselves. You are now the 6 finalists for November, which is fantastic news. So that leads us on to the next one, which is the body repair finalists. So our body repair finalists are Robert Gray, Jordan Lingham, Jonathan Johnson, Adam Matthews, Aidan Cheatham, and Alec McAleod. Well done, guys. Again, fantastic scores throughout. To be honest with you, the scores have been very, very close. From 1st to 6th across the board, they've all been right up there. We've got a fantastic standard of finalists this year. So last, but by no means least, onto the light vehicle, the Auto Tech competition. And our 6 finalists for Auto Tech for the 2023 World Skills UK IMI Skills Competitions final are Ryan Cullen, Elliot Ritchie, Jack Johnson, Matthew Kemp, Ashley Hursley, and Oliver Young. Once again, fantastic. Well done, guys. it's been a pleasure. It's been a pleasure putting the competitions on for you. You guys have been absolutely amazing. And like I said, the scores and things have been very, very consistent and very, very close there. You've all done extremely well. And to be honest with you, even if you didn't make it through, guys, okay, to get into the top 18 or 30 in your skill area for the competition this year has been fantastic. Because as I said earlier, the online scores and things, super high, were really, really good. So you all deserve to give yourselves a big congratulations. If you didn't make it through, okay, obviously you can follow us on at IMI Student. Take a look at the information and stuff online and on our website and things. And obviously, if you're still eligible with your qualification and things, please try again next year, because you probably don't know how close you were to going through anyway. Okay. If you did make it through, again, congratulations, fantastic. The next thing will happen now, you'll get some information packs emailed out to you, okay? We'll organise some virtual employer visits. Then during the month of October, we'll have technical masterclasses for you all. We'll also be trying to sort out some e-learning, free e-learning things for you, okay? Then in November, we've got the final. It's going to be up in Manchester, okay? Now, I'm not sure of the venue just yet. WorkSkills haven't announced the venue for us just yet, but we know that we are going to be in Manchester. And obviously, the WorldSkills UK team will be there watching you in November as well. And hopefully, if any of you are age eligible, there might be a position in team to go forward. So that's just about it from me now, guys, okay? Again, congratulations to everybody that took part. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said to everybody on the briefing days, I hope you took something out of it that you could take back to your work or your training provider, and I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, for one of you finalists out there, this will be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, because in each stream, there's going to be one of you that's not going to be able to do it again, because in all those people that I called out are going to be my 4 gold medal winners. Again, thank you very much for taking part. Well done to everybody, and I'll see you guys in October for the masterclasses. Thanks again. Bye-bye.